Properties of integer exponents comes from lessons 2.6 and 2.7. You'll need to have that kind of golden colored paper and a sheet of white paper and your scissors and your glue stick in order to assemble your interactive notebook page. First, cut around the three main parts: the title, property of integers exponents. Then you have a list of names. It looks like there are 7 different names of properties there. So you're going to want to just kind of cut around that large section of them, and we'll separate those in a little bit, but don't cut them all out yet. And then you've got the second piece, which has the properties, and you see all sorts of examples and things written down there. So don't worry about what's on there yet. We're going to just do the assembly first. Just make sure that you have only cut on the solid bold black line. Okay, do not cut on that dotted line because the dotted line is where you're going to fold your paper. Okay, but you should be cutting along each of these little strips here. I'm going to put a red line through them. Okay, so just cut along that solid line all the way up to the dashed line so that you can separate those into individual flaps. The assembly of this is pretty easy. So the title again goes at the top of the page, properties of integer exponents, and then the only piece that gets glued down is the right side of that larger section that says property. Okay, those individual flaps that we just talked about on the previous page that you're going to be cutting. Okay, so you're going to be cutting here and here up to that dash line. So don't glue those flaps down. Instead, you're only going to glue this section right here. Glue this to your paper. And once the flaps are cut, you should be able to move them independently of each other. And in just a second, you'll notice we're going to cover everything back up. So we're going to fold the left side across onto the right side, and then we'll start doing the labels on the outside of each of those flaps. The last step here is to go ahead and cut out each of those properties from the final strip, and to go ahead and just cut each of them independently, and then you're going to glue them exactly as you see here in the picture. Okay, make sure that you match them up exactly, because if you don't, you're going to have the wrong name for a property. And glue them to the outside of the flap so that you can see the name on the outside, and when you move the flap to the left, you'll be able to see the example of what that property looks like on the right. So again, when you open up those flaps, this is what your paper looks like. So you're going to want to have that glued right in the middle of your paper so that you can freely open up those flaps and close them as needed. Now, I'm not going to give you any of the information that goes inside this. Instead, we're going to be doing this one together in class, so just make sure you have it assembled correctly so that when we get to it in class, you're ready to discuss and learn about the properties of integer exponents.